Hello traders, the title of the video is a technical trader compares a swing trader to a pilot. Alright, so a swing trader is a market participant that is trading the medium term trend. Alright, a position trader is a market participant that is trading the long-term trend. A day trader or a scalper, a day trader is market participant that is trading the short-term trend. Alright, so we want to compare a swing trader to a pilot. So a pilot is a qualified a person that is piloting planes. Alright, so what are the similarity, what are the common point, what can we learn from a pilot, how a swing trader can learn from a pilot? We know that a pilot will take off. Alright, everything will start from the takeoff to the landing. Alright, so for a pilot, before a pilot may even consider to fly, the pilot, most pilot will check the weather. Alright, is it a good weather? What kind of weather is it? Is it a windy weather? Is it a snowy weather? And they will decide whether it is even worthy starting to fly, or should one fly another day. So the weather for a swing trader is the market environment. That's the first thing that a swing trader should consider, like a pilot. Like the pilot is considering, is checking the weather. Alright, they will tell you it's going to be very rainy weather. Alright, they're going to tell you that before you take out, they will tell you that it's going to be a little bit windy, bumpy weather, and so on. So same thing when we are swing trading. Alright, we want to check the market environment. Is the market volatile? Alright, is the market bearish? Is the market bullish? So when we are talking about the market, we are talking about the S&P 500. So one of the mistakes that a swing trader is making is not to check the market environment. Alright, very, 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 very important. Alright, when we are talking about the market environment, we are talking about economy news also that can affect the stock that we are trading. Alright, is there any litigation? Alright, is the earning news coming soon? Alright, those are the things we need to check. This is just the preparation for swing trading. Before we even start thinking of swing trading, we are checking the market environment. So sometimes you are watching, for instance, Bloomberg, and a professional trader will tell you that this market is becoming a little bit difficult. It's not worthy even trading now. It's better for trader to go on holiday or something like that, because the market environment is not suitable for swing trading or for investing purposes. So like a pilot will check the weather, a swing trader will check the market environment. Alright, the second thing that a pilot will check before they even take off, they will check the engine. So you sit down, you all sit down on the plane, and the pilot, they spend time checking every engine on the plane before they even take off. Alright, is the plane in good order? Alright, sometimes you may have some delays, which means they may say that there's something not functioning very well, and then the technician may look at it before they may even consider to take off, or they may even cancel the flight because the engine has failed. So for a swing trader, what is the engine? The engine is the trading method, the trading strategy, and the trading system that we are using. Do you have a swing trading system? Do you have a swing trading method? Do you have a swing trading strategy? If you go around talking to professional swing traders, they will tell you they all have their own swing trading strategy. It can be, for instance, trading candlestick pattern. Alright, some swing traders may use only Elliott wave for their swing trading purposes. Some swing traders may use, for instance, Fibonacci pattern, and so on. So the engine, checking the engine, is making sure that we have a reliable trading strategy that we understand, that we master, that we know how to a trade. All right, so like the pilot will be checking the engine, we want to check our strategy. One thing I often say to traders is that the market pattern will determine the appropriate strategy that we must deploy, yes or no. So for when we see, okay, that the price consolidating, what is the appropriate trading method, trading system, trading strategy that we must deploy? All right. If the price is at a target level, what is the appropriate trading strategy that we must deploy? If the price is in a rising channel, in a declining channel, what is the appropriate strategy that we must deploy? If we see a double top or we recognize a high probability trading setup, what is the appropriate trading strategy that we must deploy? We must implement a top-down trading method. So for a swing trader, talking about the engine, we can talk about the trading method or a top-down trading method. All right, this is about the engine. How you're going to what is going to allow you, all right, to swing trade. Is it a valid strategy? Is it a reliable trading method? Is it a reliable trading system? All right. So when we are talking about swing trading method, we are talking about a top-down trading method. We want to find the trading setup on one time frame. We want to wait for the signal on another time frame, and we want to enter the trade on another time frame. This is about checking the engine. All right. The third thing that the pilot will also check is their takeoff time. Every plane has their own takeoff time. So you see all the plane lining or waiting for their takeoff time. So sometimes some plane will miss their takeoff time. That will create some delays, because if, for instance, they are fixing the engine of the plane, or the weather is not very good, a plane may miss their takeoff time. So there is a takeoff time for every plane, yes or no? So when their takeoff time is up, they will allow them to go on a runway, and they will start going and go at a high speed, and then they will take off, yes or no? So for a swing trader, what is the takeoff time? The takeoff time is about market timing, all right? Market timing. And one of the tools that we use to time the market is a top-down trading method. The setup, the signal, and the low risk entry point. So when a signal is fired, we are not going to just buy or sell for swing trading purposes. We will select a low risk entry point to enter the trade on another time frame. So the takeoff for a swing trader is the market timing. All right, I think I posted a video at the 24 digit 4 24 stock trader YouTube channel about market timing. Check it out. Very, very important. So like the pilot will have their own takeoff time. For a swing trader, the takeoff time is about market timing. You will notice that there are some ordinary market participants that buy and sell in the financial market, and they do not understand what is market timing. They will check the fundamental, they will do everything, and then they will just say this stock is bullish, going to go up, and they will buy. But what usually takes place, they will buy at the wrong time because they don't know anything about the takeoff time or the market timing, as we are talking about swing trading. Another thing, after the plane, the pilot takes off, all right, the plane takes off, there is something that we call navigation. So they are going from point A to point B, all right. So for a pilot, it's very important to understand what is navigation, all right, to navigate from London to New York, or from Tokyo to Chicago, or something like that, all right. So the navigation is very important. So what is the navigation for a swing trader? The navigation is about the swing trade management, all right. So you want to manage your swing trade. Why? Because you're going to remain in the trade maybe 3 days or more, all right, or 5 days or more, all right. Therefore, the price is not going to go up from point A to point B. So someday it will be going, someday it may go up and then it pull back. So you want to have a strategy to navigate or to manage your swing trade, which means at some places you may place 2 trades at the beginning. You may close some trade at as the price reach the first key level, all right. So or the initial target, all right, All right, so we have, you remember I was talking about this, all right, especially when we have a consolidation, all right, and one is buying at the lower part of the consolidation, all right. There's the midpoint target. This is the median line. So we buy here, prior reaching this level, you can secure your gain, or you can take some profit if you open two positions, and then you let one of the trade run all the way to the ultimate target. So the midpoint target is what I call the initial target or the first target, or you may have multiple target level. So for instance, if you enter a swing trade and you believe that the stock will go up 200 pips, I don't think it's very good to just buy and hope that okay, it start going up, you have 100 pip profit, you say yes, it's going to go up, and then you just leave it there expecting it to go to 200 pips. Sometimes the price may go up 100 pips, and then next day a lot of bad news came out and the price come back to the starting point. So the management of the swing trade, this is what we call the navigation for a pilot. So like the pilot has to navigate from point A, from London to New York, or from Washington to Beijing, and so on. All right, for a swing trader, it's very important for us to manage our swing trade. I need to remind traders that I will be recording videos about how to manage a swing trade in the near future. All right, I will be talking about how a swing trader should use the market environment, and I will be talking about swing trading method and a strategy. So do not worry. So the management of the swing trade is equal to the navigation for a pilot. The last thing that is very important for a pilot, after the pilot takes off, it's not going to stay in the air forever. There will be a time when the pilot has to land that plane safely. So for us, what is the landing? So for the pilot, it's a landing. For us as a swing trader, the landing is the profit taking. All right, is the profit taking. Hold on a second. I want to pause the video 1 second, and I will be back in a few minutes. Okay. Alright, so you want to land your plane safely. Alright, so for a swing trader, it's about a profit taking. So you apply a top-down trading method, you enter the trade, you manage the trade. Now it's time to take a profit. So sometimes what you do not want is that you may see sometimes, especially for swing trader, you may enter a swing trade. Alright, and sometimes you will see, when I start a swing trading first, you will see sometimes the price may go up 100 pips. And you are so excited that, okay, it has been a profitable swing trade. And then the price going up very strongly, and then out of the blue, suddenly, you will see sometime that the price, you may give away maybe 50% of your gain. So you have 100 pips showing nicely in profit, and then the next day, or you leave your trade open, all right, throughout the weekend, all right, so you were trading Monday to Friday, it was profitable, you leave it there, and then Saturday, Sunday, the market is closed, and Monday, what do you see? The stock gap down big time. And then you're wondering what's going on, or you give away more than 60% of your profits. All right? Now, for swing traders, the weekends are very challenging, because sometimes there are some economy news that are released the weekend, especially when we are talking about the forex markets. And because of those, economy news, for instance, you may have some economy news in China or in Australia, the Asian market may be bearish, and maybe you are in the United States or as a swing trader, and then you have your turning profit nicely, and then the next day, Monday, especially on Monday, and stock gap down big time. Or there is some bad news, can be geopolitical news that may affect, the stock market, and the stock, and you see that, part of your profit, has been erased. Now, to avoid those kind of scenario is to be prepared to land your swing trade safely, so to speak, meaning that you know where you want to take profit. So the strategy that a lot of professional swing traders are doing is, because they know their swing trading setup, they usually open two positions or so. All right, so the first positions, they have the initial target, price reaching that level, they take some profit. All right, so the idea is to, so you are risking, for instance, 100 pips, all right? So you are risking 100 pips, or for each trade, 50 pips for each trade, all right? So both trade, you will open them at the same time, 50 pip, 50 pip. because you know this is a high probability trading setup. You enter them nicely, and then the price start going up. All right, so price goes up, you reach 50 pip. What some professional trader will do, they may close one of the trade and let one run. So then they will move their stop loss to break even. All right. Now, this is part of okay, the swing trade management. Now, when we are talking about landing, okay, for a pilot and profit taking for a swing trader, you want to know the profit targets. All right. So you know that okay, you're taking off from London to New York. You are navigating nicely, which means you are managing the train. When you are in New York, you should know that you are now in New York and you are approaching the airport and you should be prepared for landing, yes or no? So when you are in the plane, they say prepare for landing. Okay, put on your belts, all right, secure your belt. It's time for landing, yes or no? So the same thing, if you are swing trading, you want to know the profit target level. Very, very important. So you can land your, so to speak, you can okay, take your profit at the profit target level. All right. So one example that I can give you now. So when we are talking about landing, we are talking about profit taking. We are talking about okay, profit target. So for instance, you see here there is a triangle here. So for a triangle, the target for a swing trader is the height of the triangle here. So what professional will do, they will put it here like this. All right. So that's it. So that's the target for that price move that is going on now. But now, as I was explaining it to you, that's the ultimate target for this triangle. The price does not have to reach the target. But one example of swing trade management is that we have the ultimate target. We will set a midpoint target. Can you see that on the chart? Can you see this candlestick bar here? Can you see this one here? How it got that shadow here? This is the activity of professional trader that took a midpoint profit because they divide the ultimate target here. As the price start going up, they know that the initial target is here, but as the price reaches the midpoint target, some of them will take some profit or some of them will start securing again. The conservative traders will take some profit, and most professional traders that open 2 or 3 swing trade at the beginning will close some of those positions and let okay, one continue to reach the target. So in order to land like the pilot will land the plane safely, a swing trader will know the price target. Always try to go into the mind of other traders, try to understand how other traders may set their target, because some traders do not set their target the same way. If you have the target, always divide the target into 2, have a midpoint target, have the ultimate target, and at the same time try to go into the mind of other traders. Now, one example again that we have here for a swing trader talking about landing for a pilot and profit taking for a swing trader, you can see that the price went up. Look at this one here. So one example here, price went up from here to here, and then look, and then it pulled back. All right, this is an invitation to buy here, and then swing trader bought it here. Now, a lot of swing traders, how do you set a target in this scenario? Some swing traders will use the length of this price move. This is the initial price move, and then they pull back and they start going up. So they will use this length. I'm going to color it now into red. All right, pay attention carefully, my friend. And then they set it at it. That's the length. You see, well, you see, that's why it stopped. Can you see that? That's the length to set a target. And again, once you set the target, always set a midpoint target. Always set a midpoint target. Very, very important. All right, so you buy here, secure some gain when it came to midpoint. Know the ultimate target is here. Now, in this case, the price reached the target. Now, talking about this price move, other traders may not use the length, but they will use the magnitude, which means the height of the price move from the beginning to the end, a vertical line, and I will project it like this. Right? Again, same zone. Can you see? Same zone. So those who use the magnitude of the price action to set their target, their profit target is here. So for a pilot landing, okay, is very, very important. We are now at a final destination. We must land the plane. That's what a pilot will do. For a swing trader, we must know our target and take profit before it is too late. Some swing traders do not know their price target. They enter the trade, they don't know what is target. Price going up, price hit the target. They still expecting it to go out, and everybody's coming out, and they give everything back. All right, so do not do that. So talking about a technical trader, compare a swing trader to a pilot. All right, I want to summarize everything now. A pilot will check the weather. For a swing trader, it's about checking the market environment. A pilot will check the engine before they take off. A swing trader will check, okay, their trading method, trading strategy, trading system, all right, the appropriate trading strategy that one should deploy to trade that trading setup, all right. That's about the engine. A pilot has his or her a takeoff time. For a swing trader, it's about market timing. Use a different time frame trading method to time the market accurately. If a pilot takes off from point A going to point B, the pilot must navigate, okay, all the way to point B. For us as a swing trader, the navigation is about a trade management. Are you managing your swing trade? Sometimes you may enter a swing trade and the next day the market become very, very bearish. What do? Sometimes you have to close that swing trade. It's pointless to leave it open. The market turned bearish. It was bullish before. Now it become very bearish. You see that, okay, now the price start going down very fast. Close that swing trade. Come back another day. This is about managing, okay, your swing trade. So there are various things that will help you to manage your swing trade, and I will be recording another video about swing trading management. So a pilot will be navigating, a swing trader will be managing, okay, the trade. So after taking off, the pilot must land that plane safely. For a swing trader, the landing is about profit taking. It's about knowing the price target. All right. Now you may wonder, George, what is the point of this tutorial? The point of this tutorial is to encourage traders to become a more disciplined swing trader. Pilots are very, very disciplined. They do not cut corners. They do not miss steps. So there are procedures that they follow. There is a standard that they follow when they want to take off. There are steps that they follow when they want to land. There are steps that they follow when they are going through bad weather. They are navigating from point A to point B. So we want to be very, very disciplined. So this is what we are talking about. So I recorded a video before that I was talking about how to become a more composed swing trader. So this tutorial, you may see that this is about how to become a more disciplined swing trader, or how to swing trade like a pilot, or what a swing trader can learn from a pilot. What are the similarities between piloting and swing trading? There are many similarities, as you can see here, and I'm encouraging traders to become more disciplined swing traders and to follow the correct steps and not to miss the steps. Okay. Market environment, okay, trading method, trading strategy must be reliable, appropriate trading method, all right, market timing, swing trading management, and profit taking, knowing the price target, all right. So if you have any question, all right, or suggestion, all right, put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question, all right. This is the end of this tutorial. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about a technical trader compares a swing trader to a pilot. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.